issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Plum City to near Dover, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wabasha around 8:55 p.m. Modena and Buffalo around 9:10 p.m. Mondovi and Fountain City around 9:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lomondie, Cochrane, Gilmanton, West Newton, and West Albany. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Buffalo, Wisconsin, and Wabasha, Minnesota.